Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the six largest oil companies that operate in the Caribbean. Now, Jamaica has found positive signs that oil is offshore. United Oil and Gas holds a license for exploration, and their tests have confirmed oil is offshore Jamaica, the Walton Morant Basin, which is an area to the south coast, off the south coast of Jamaica. It's out in the sea. So the next step now is to start drilling exploratory wells, or basically test wells. And they plan to build 14 wells. Now each well can cost up to 80 million US. So United Oil and Gas has to now partner with a company that has the resources to drill. Now there's one company that stands out above the rest. ExxonMobil. They are the largest oil company in the Caribbean. They are the ones that are drilling in Guyana to bring up the oil. Although it's a conglomerate, ExxonMobil is the major player in that. They also work with Trinidad in their oil production. So they are most likely going to be the company that would drill for oil in Jamaica, and the company that United Oil and Gas and the Jamaican government would partner with to sort out the oil in Jamaica. Now, ExxonMobil produces 3% of the world's oil. That's a massive company. They are among the top 10 oil companies in the world. Now, just to give you some perspective, China Harbor Engineering Company is one of the largest contractors in the world, and they are the largest contractor operating in Jamaica. They build all the roads. It's the same way Exxon is one of the largest oil companies in the world, and they are the largest one that operates in the Caribbean. So we're going to go through the top companies, but ExxonMobil is so far ahead of the others that it would be like a highway to be built in Jamaica and China Harbor Engineering Company does not build it. That would be how surprising it would be if ExxonMobil does not get the license to drill in Jamaica. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the six companies, the top six companies that the top six oil companies in the Caribbean. The Caribbean has become one of the most important emerging regions in the global energy industry, driven by major offshore discoveries and long-standing production in countries like Trinidad and Tobago and Guyana. At the center of this transformation are a handful of powerful international oil companies whose investments, technology, and expertise are shaping the region's future. Among the most influential are six major firms: ExxonMobil, Hess Corporation, CNOOC Limited, Shell, BP, and Total Energies. Together, these companies dominate exploration, production, and energy development across the Caribbean. The most dominant player in the region today is ExxonMobil. The company revolutionized the Caribbean oil landscape with its massive discovery offshore Guyana in 2015. Operating in Starbuck Block, ExxonMobil has uncovered billions of barrels of oil, transforming Guyana into one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Its deep-water drilling expertise, financial strength, and rapid development of production facilities have made it a clear leader in the region's oil boom. Working closely with ExxonMobil is Hess Corporation, a key partner in Guyana's oil production. Hess holds a significant stake in the Starbuck block and plays an important role in the financing and supporting operations. The company has benefited greatly from the success of Guyana's oil sector, with its investments delivering strong returns. Alongside Hess is CNOOC Limited, a subsidiary of China's national oil company. CNOOC involvement highlights the global importance of Caribbean oil as it brings additional capital and technical capabilities to the partnership while strengthening China's presence in the region. Beyond Guyana, Shell plc remains one of the most important energy companies in the Caribbean, particularly in Trinidad and Tobago. Shell has a long history in the country and is heavily involved in natural gas production and liquefied natural gas exports. Its operations support both regional energy needs and international markets, making it a key player in the Caribbean's energy supply chain. Similarly, BP is a major force in Trinidad and Tobago's energy sector. The company is one of the largest producers of natural gas in the country and plays a crucial role in sustaining its energy industry. BP's investments in offshore fields and infrastructure have helped maintain Trinidad and Tobago's position as a leading energy exporter in the Caribbean. Another important company expanding in the region is Total Energies. This French multinational has been actively exploring new offshore opportunities, particularly in the Guyana-Suriname basin. Total Energies is positioning itself to benefit from future discoveries and is part of a broader wave of international interest in the Caribbean's untapped oil and gas resources. In conclusion, these six companies represent the core of oil and gas activity in the Caribbean. ExxonMobil leads the current boom, especially in Guyana, while Hess and CNOOC support its operations. Meanwhile, Shell and BP continue to dominate the more established energy sector in Trinidad and Tobago, and Total Energies is expanding into new frontier areas. As exploration continues and new discoveries are made, these companies will remain central to the region's economic development and energy future. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.